Okay, previous session we have done with the quotations. Okay, now we'll see the comments. Okay, what are the comments? How can we write comments? Like C, Java or Unix shell scripting, the comments will not be executed. Okay, similar kind of things here also. How can we make a line as a comment? Okay, let's see single line. This one, these two lines. These two lines are not commented by default. Okay, let's see if I have saved this one. Okay, I didn't open as a right click, open with Internet Explorer. Okay, okay. Once you comment a text in C or scripting or anywhere, that will not be visible in the output. Okay, in the Python or C, this hash is a comment. Whereas here, how can we do this? Okay, I want to right now we are I am able to see this page, this line in the output. This is the output. I see this line. I want to make this as a comment. I don't want just this is if you keep this one starting and ending. This is called comment. Okay. For this point is the starting tag, but ending tag only end. Okay. For comment, this is the starting tag. Let's say I'm commenting same similar kind of this. Okay, I have commented entire thing. I have saved. I am saving this one and then output. Let's see, refresh. See, commenting is not coming. Okay, commenting is it will not execute display here. We just okay. Why we need comments? Oh yeah, a programmer wants to explain about what process we are doing. Then he will explain here in the comments. Okay, these lines come from or copied from W3 schools page. Something, okay? Something if you want to understand oh where these lines are or what these lines does. Those things you can comment. Okay, this comment will not show in the output page. Okay. Okay, okay. Is it only available for single line? No, multiple lines also it will work. How many lines you wish to choose? This is a multi-line comment. Okay, for multiple lines also it will work. I just saved and then refresh. See, nothing is coming. All comments are not visible. Okay, next one is colors. Hmm. HTML colors specified with preferred color names or with RGB, HX, HSL, or Rega or values. Let's see what it will be. In HTML, color will be specified in the using color name. This is tomato. This is orange. This is dagger blue. Like this, all these things. Okay. How can we write this? H1P, H1P. Not only H1P, we can write different style background color. Okay. Okay, it is in H1P also. We can do some different tags also, not only in H1P. Let's do with H1P. Okay. Here tomato, this darker blue. Okay, let's see this tomato darker blue. This these two. Do you see? Background. It is coming, not font color. Correct? Background color. Okay. Okay. Let's see font color. Whether what they have mentioned. Style color. Font color. This is font color. Okay. Just save this one. Refresh here. You see font color. Okay. This is entire paragraph. Heading is okay. This is entire paragraph. Whatever the data it is mentioning, entire paragraph it is. You can copy paste. You can put BR wherever you required. You can put BR tag. Wherever you required. Entire paragraph, this style color equal to blue. Entire paragraph. Say entire paragraph. No, I want to keep this text in with the different color. Some kind of this text. Then you need to do another tag called font something, some other color. You can choose any orange. I want to keep orange. Okay, I want to until this portion of text different color I want. Okay, remaining thing entire paragraph it applies. This blue will applies entire paragraph, and this orange color applies only this text until font. Okay, let's save this and then refresh. You see orange color appears here. Okay, through font also you can put color, not only H1 P1 something like that. Okay, there are many you can choose. Okay, you can put a full font also. Okay, now I want from starting to ending. I want this font color. Yes, you can choose. Refresh. You see, from starting to here, font color is orange. Remaining thing is blue only. Background color looks like this. Font color looks only, you see, output. This is background color. Entire line it is coming. This is font color. Only font only colored. Okay. All are font colored only. H1 means big fonts, something like this. HTML, CSS will do in a separate session. Okay. This will be a somewhat big session. We need to understand thoroughly. Let's go to links. Links images. Okay. Links, HTML links, nothing but hyperlinks. Okay. Hyperlinks will be only one tag, anchor tag. This name is called anchor tag. Hyphen E and this. This is the syntax. href, hypertext reference. Href means hypertext reference. HTML means hypertext markup language. H reference. Okay. URL. URL means this one. Whatever the URLs that are presenting. This is also URL. This is also URL. This is also URL. We name it as. Okay. This URL is C colon. That means only inside system. This URL is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP means, okay. TCP means TCP, UDP, HTTP. There are so many, okay. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. S means securely, okay. TCP means Transfer Control Protocol, like this. This is HTTP, okay. www dot means World Wide Web, okay. That means this URL is started with HTTPS with the World Wide Web, www. That means this URL is visible throughout the world. Wherever it is, you can open browser and then browse this. Whereas this URL, there is no www here. That's why it is not public URL. This is public URL. Okay, this is also URL. You see, this is not public URL. It is not visible to other locations, other systems, other. Okay. This is this URL is similar. You see this URL until HTML both are same. Oh, except this test.html. Correct. This is also URL. URL means uniform resource locator. You need to write abbreviations. Okay. URL means uniform resource locator. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. TCP, transfer control. Okay, you need to note it down. This one. JPG, giant photograph export group. Giant photograph group. JPG means. Okay. JPEG means giant photograph exports group. GIF, graphics. interchange, format. These are called MIMEs. We can MIME. MIME means multi-purpose internet mail extension. Okay, MIME types. Okay, these are that photos. Okay, the extensions. These are MIMEs. Okay, we can name this as MIMEs. These are some URLs. Okay, some definitions. Okay, URL means Uniform Resource Locator, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, you just note it down. These are MIME types. You can search on Google what are the MIME types available. Will get there will be so many. Audio, video. These are only image. These are only image types. Okay. Mm. MIME types means AVI. We have created recordings. All are MWV. Okay, Windows Media Player extension. MP3, MP4. There will be so many MIME types. Okay, GIF, JPG, JPEG, GIF. There will be many. Okay. Okay, let's do one hyperlink. Let's do small. This just close this. I want to open W3 schools. Okay, I want to put hyperlinks for different. I want to open Google Meet. I want to put shortcut. Save. Refresh. Yeah. Okay. HTML tutorial. Right click, open new tab. HTML page opened. Then Google page. Open new tab. Google.com, some wrong URL. That's why it is not coming. If URL is correct only, it will come. Okay. Just saved. Again, do refresh. Right click, open new tab. See, Google page came. I want to open Google Meet, whatever our link, our session link. Open new tab. See, it will come. This browser Meet does not work. Okay. Anyhow, this page will work. Okay. You can put whatever the shortcuts you need. No, I want until now I have done until this only hypertext only. I want to open a folder. Yeah, sure, you can open. I want to open this folder, HTML recordings. Okay, yeah, sure, you can put this one will be HTML system. Save, refresh, click here. See, folder also opened. Okay, if you click here, wherever the folder it is configured. You see that file is. If you click here, if you do mouse over, you see the status. This location. If I do keep mouse, you will see you will get the location here. This also you will get the location. Okay, not only in the Google. You can put any URL. Okay, all URL will work. Will work. See, I can open a folder. I can open a file in the system. Yeah, you can open a file. Suppose I want to open this file. You can open similar kind of thing. Let me change with the opening a file. While clicking this one, I want to open this video, any one video. Yeah, sure, it will work. This is the file name. Dot. You need to put proper extension. WMV. This is the extension. Then only it will work. Okay. Click here. Save. Refresh. Okay. If you click here, you see file is downloading. Okay. That file also it is saving file. Okay. It is not opening. Okay. So we can access that file also. You can do save or open. You can save as do wherever you wish. Okay. Let's see different attributes of this anchor tag. Okay, these are different attributes. Okay, anchor tag. Let's see one by one. Okay, if you click this um, right now, okay, what? Okay, if I click here in the Google, okay, it is open in the same page. If I go back, if I click HTML tutorial, this is in opening in the same page. I want to open when I click here. When I click here, I want to open this page in the new tab. Then this is the attribute. Okay, target underscore blank means opens the document in a new window or new tab. Okay, let's do target equals to blank this attribute. Okay, okay, let's do target equals to blank. Okay, we can put everything also like this. Okay, those three. Anyhow, this will open a new window. This is this if you click here, it is opening in the same tag. Right now, I'll let's do refresh. Okay, I am clicking. I am not doing right click open in a new tab. No, directly. If you click here, it is opening in a new window. Okay, you close this new tab also. It will be there. I click here and opening in a new window. If you click here, opening in a new window. Let's see new tag how it is. New window or same window. I underscore self will do same window tab. Okay, same window tab side. Let's change this one is underscore self. Okay, let's try this one. I'm putting this HTML tutorial in the next tab. Right click refresh. Just click here. Oh, it is the same tab. Same tab it is coming. I want to create open in the new tab. Let's see what it will be. Same page it is self. Okay. Open the document in the full body of the window. Target blank. Okay, new window or new tab. Oh, wait. Okay, this is absolute URLs. Absolute path means full. Full URLs means absolute. Full. All these are full URLs. C colon something and everything. All are full URLs. No. I want to open another HTML page from this HTML page using href. Yeah, sure, you can try. Suppose here one.html is there. Okay, if I open this one.html, something this is coming. Okay, I want to include this one.html. Okay, I can put hyperlink. Small path also you can write 1.html. Okay, this means that whatever the test.html, 1.html in the same path. If you see here 1.html, test.html, both are in the same path, then only it works. Okay, and then we can keep 1.html page. Okay, if I click this 1.html page, this file will open. Okay, right click, refresh. Okay, click here. See, this is coming, correct? This is 1.html. You see, full path 1.html. Okay, if you go do mouse over, you see the status bar 1.html. Okay, you can put 1.html, or you can put slash something, some location, something ABC. You can move this to this ABC location. You want to that 1.html I want to open now. Now you see file is not present. We need to put proper path. Okay, this is the error. If the URL is wrong, does not a 1.html file is not there in this path. Okay, now ABC slash, we need to put proper. What is the proper path? ABC slash 1.html. Okay, save, refresh. Just click here. You see it is coming. Okay, this is relative path, small path. Okay, this is relative path. This is full path, absolute path. Whether this or this. Okay, this is full path. This is relative path. Okay, small path. This is how they explained. This is use an image as hyperlink. We did we use this one audio file as a hyperlink. Same kind of thing, image also will come. Okay, this is width, height, okay, something mail to. Okay, next session we will discuss in the on the image, and then email button as a link. Okay, let's discuss in different session, next session. Okay.